body roll with me. There you go. Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dalton with Seven Bridges Chiropractic. I'm here with one of my patients, Jade. Jade came to us a couple weeks ago with low back pain. It has been subsiding very quickly, which is awesome. She was on vacation last week, so it's been about 2 weeks since I've seen her. And on vacation, she was able to walk 6 to 8 miles every morning at sunrise, which is huge. So with that, she got a little bit of tightness through her low back, but no major pains. She used the exercises that we posted on our videos that we also give to our patients, and that helped alleviate some of that tension. Anything I'm forgetting?
No, that's about it.
All right, go ahead and click the little bell so you get the notification for our newest videos, and then subscribe to our channel. All right, go ahead and go face down for me first. Do you feel how that's a little stiffer on the right side? Mm-hmm. So if you look, and you might see this on the video, you might not. Bouncy and springy over here. When I hit this side, it doesn't want to bounce like that side. Is that where you're feeling it a little more, or do you kind of feel it both sides when you get it?
No, I think I do feel it outside a little more.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to lift your shirt up just a little bit and pull these down just a little. So what was your favorite part of vacation?
Honestly, those beach walks are my favorite part.
Yeah. Just getting to decompress and relax.
Yeah.
You said you and your cousin do that every morning?
Yeah, so she's, my family's kind of odd. My mom's 16 years younger than her sister, so all of my, first cousins are in their, 50s and 60s. So they're a lot older than me, but I grew up with most of their children, but her and I have gotten close.
Oh, nice.
As I've gotten older, as I'm an adult now and not a child. So even though we don't talk that much throughout the year, we do these walks every year on vacation, and it's we have been talking all year. You know what I mean? It's
nice.
Yeah.
So it's good to just catch up.
Yeah.
Slide down your hips just slightly on that table. There you go, perfect. So we're going to use a little flexion distraction just to help loosen up through that low back a little bit more. That pressure isn't too much, is it?
No.
Good. And you were New Smyrna?
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. And you guys go there every year, right?
Yep.
Do you guys kind of get the same house, or do you guys flip around where you go?
So it is the same, so we rent condos, and it's the same complex. My cousin and her husband get the same one every year, but sometimes my husband and I share a condo with them, and sometimes we get our own, just depending on who else is going.
Oh, nice.
So we kind of jump around, but they're always in the same one.
Yeah, I know some people that they go to the beach every year and get the same exact house, and my family, we always traveled to the same destinations, and I feel like that was us. Never really switched up where we went or what we did.
Yeah. Well, ours is that condo, the building is basically all rental units, so they're all set up the exact same way. Now, I mean, each owner can kind of pick which appliances and which they decorated themselves and that sort of thing, but they all have, the dining room tables in the same spot in each one, the couch,
Oh,
the TV,
the walls and everything are pretty much the exact same.
Yeah.
So no matter where you stay, you're going good. This side up for me so you're facing the bridge wall.
Alright. And then
this knee's gonna go forward. You're ticklish, right?
no.
No,
I don't
okay.
think so.
And come back. So if you were ticklish, what I do is I use your hand to prevent you from being as ticklish, because you can't tickle yourself.
I remember you saying that. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Does that feel tight when I'm doing that?
Like a little tightness, but not
In the
comfortable.
front of your hip or in your low back?
Low back.
Okay. How's work looking this week for you?
Pretty good. I'm actually off today. We're planning a surprise baby shower for one of the girls I work with
Oh.
at lunchtime, so I took today off as like my day off so that I could do stuff for that without her realizing it.
Are you doing it at the hotel?
Mm-hmm.
Let your whole, no, you're good. Let this whole body roll with me. There you go. And then on your other side for me. Wait, did you say you were doing it at the hotel?
Yes, we
My
are.
brain blanked.
So I did a lot of the decorating last night. I gotta go do a balloon arch this morning, so
You did the balloon arch at the...
yes. It's like my thing apparently,
Yeah.
whether I want it to be or not.
How long does it take you to make a balloon arch?
It depends. The one I'm doing today is very small, so
Yeah.
it will probably only take me like an hour, hour and a half.
That's still a lot of time. How long did it take you for the one for the Women Connecting Women?
I mean, that was basically what I did that day.
The whole day?
Yeah.
Good. And then on your back for me.
Back.
And then crisscross both hands. Deep breath in. Let that all the way out. All right, let me give you a hand up.
Right.
Perfect. How's that feeling?
Good.
Good. Awesome. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned on Wednesdays for our newest videos.